is very good. The hairs is very smooth. You can see. You can see the crown is very natural. Now let's see the base. This system is a V-loop system. The base is skin. Now let's see the total base. The thickness is medium. The base quality is high quality. The base is very soft. It's very soft. And the base is very strong. Now let's see the hairline. The hairline is very natural. You can see any knots. It is a V-loop. Now let's see the inside knots. Knots is not right. You can't see. The hair length is 15 centimeters. This V-loop is our high quality. The base is very soft. The base thickness is medium. If you need a very thin base, we can make. Now in my hands, this system color is number 1 and number 1B. This time we have some stock. If you need, we can ship it immediately. Now let's see more inside the knots. You can see any knots. It is very good. Now let's see inside the knots. It also can't any knots.
Yes, this is V-loop.
Yeah.
There is no knots.
Yes. Do you like it? It is very beautiful. Its quality is very good. The quality is best. If you need, you can contact us. If you like it, you can make a screenshot. This is my color is number 1B.
We also have other colors for choosing.
Yeah.
Do you like this? This one we have all colors and different thickness.
Yeah.
Different thickness skin thickness and different densities for choosing.
Yeah.
And don't worry about the size. You can cut it to your size.
Yeah.
And we all can help you cut it too. Also the haircut. Okay, do you like this? If you like this one, you can send us screenshot.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's time for goodbye.
Yeah. Okay. Today we will finish our live. Tomorrow we will
see you the same time and the same stream.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye bye.